Search has changed, but most businesses haven't caught up yet. If you're still relying on traditional SEO alone, there's a good chance your website visibility is already slipping, even if you're creating great content and you've been around a long time. Here's what's happening. AI is now deciding which businesses get surfaced, summarized, and recommended, often before anyone ever clicks to a website. That means fewer opportunities to be discovered and far fewer top spots to compete for. And here's the scary part. Most companies don't realize they're being left out of search results until it's already happened. This isn't just another SEO update. This is a pivotal moment, like the early days of SEO, when the businesses that moved first locked in massive advantages. Right now, AI is still deciding who the authorities are, based on digital signals they analyze and interpret. Over the next year, those positions of authority will start to solidify. The businesses that act now have a real shot at being recognized and recommended by AI. The ones that wait will be competing for scraps, if they're even seen at all. This is exactly why we built our SEO and AI-driven search visibility services. We help businesses understand what's changing in AI, identify the topics AI actually cares about, and structure their content, especially video, in a way that AI can understand, trust, and recommend. If you're already creating content, this is how you make sure it actually gets seen. So if you're serious about being discovered online as AI becomes even more prominent, the next step is to book a no-obligation strategy call with our team. We'll look at where you stand today, where you're vulnerable, and what it would take to establish authority while this window is still open. Click below to book an AI visibility strategy call now. We're here to help.